G'day, welcome to another motor drag battle. I'm Alex, and today we are racing performance SUVs. You join me inside the Audi RS Q3, which sadly isn't quite as outrageous as this car's Kylami green exterior. And yeah, I know this is a drag race and looks don't matter, but when it comes to visual presence, I think this Audi really does trump that rather unassuming AMG. It beats it for price as well. In Australia, before on-roads, this Audi costs $92,900, which is a hefty $14,000 less expensive than the AMG. Plus, this car gets an extra cylinder, and being Audi's famous 2.5 litre 5-pot, it sounds better too. The Audi is also lighter by around 100 kilograms, but in the game of top trumps, that's where this car's winning streak ends, because when it comes to power and torque, the Audi is down a little bit. 294 kilowatts and 480 newton meters plays 310 kilowatts and 500 newton meters. Plus, this car's official 0 to 100 claim is a few tenths slower. But anyway, enough talking, let's race. Right, now as we normally do with our drag battles, we're going to do a number of different runs, and the time codes for those runs are in the description below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the Motor YouTube channel, because we're going to be uploading 2 new videos every week. Now, over in the AMG, I have my partner in crime, Daniel Gardner. Daniel, I guess you'd be feeling pretty confident right now. You've got a really effective launch control system and more power and more torques.
Yes, I could, but I also weigh a lot more. This car's almost 100 kilos more than yours, and fun fact, I actually weigh 2 kilos more than you, Alex.
Interesting, but your 0 to 100 claim is 3 or 2 tenths quicker than this one, so I think you have everything to lose. I like it that way. I like being the underdog.
All right, well, let's put our money where our mouths is. Wow, that's aggressive off the start. Oh!
It's close, it's close! Oh no!
Alex is disappearing behind me, there's nothing he can do!
Damn!
What an absolute rocket ship!
Go on then, gloat away.
No, that was a gallant effort. It wasn't, you know, like a massive amount of difference. I was expecting to be more dramatic than that. That was a gallant effort.
It was really evenly matched off the line, but then you just started to ever so gradually but inevitably creep away from me.
My chubby flanks didn't seem to make a difference after all.
Okay, so that's a victory for the AMG, but we were kind of expecting that. Let's do a street start where we keep the cars in their comfort mode and just flatten the throttle and see who wins that one. Okay, Dan, usual process with our street starts. Cars in their comfort mode, no ESC Sport or anything like that, just as though you've been chilling at the traffic lights and somebody comes up next to you and wants to race. So when we go 3, 2, 1, flatten it.
In 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, wow, really close.
Oh, they were both very sluggish off the line there.
Oh no, he's got the edge on me already.
I'm gone, there's nothing he can do.
Oh, damn. Probably closer than the launch control race, but another victory for the AMG, unfortunately. It's a hard thing to beat, that GLA45.
Yeah, once it gets dialed in, there's nothing stopping it. It's unbelievable.
Once again, you know, really evenly matched on the initial getaway, but you just slowly started to walk away from me.
Power is king. Although I have to say, I could hear that thing over this, and it sounds glorious.
That's right, I might have lost 2 races, but at least I look better doing it, and I certainly sound better losing. So 2 wins for the AMG. Let's do a roll race to see if the Audi can salvage some kind of redemption. Okay, roll race time. Typical procedure. Dan and I are both going to get up to 50 k's an hour. When they count us down, 3, 2, 1, go. We're going to flatten the throttle, see who has the better response and the better in-gear acceleration.
Three, two, one, go.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, Alex, oh, look at him go!
Was not expecting this. He's slowly catching me. Oh, he's really catching me.
Oh, I'm getting ahead, I'm getting ahead! Oh. Oh! Ah!
Did I win that?
I don't know, that was too close. It was like you had a last minute surge, and I don't know, it's too close to call.
You found like another 100 horsepower in the last couple of meters. What?
Wow, the Audi has long, long legs.
We can't tell who won.
That's brilliant.
I'm going to claim it.
Of course you are.
I've got to have something. All ready to go for the brake test. Dan and I are both going to get up to 100 k's an hour. Full emergency stop at the cones. See who pulls up in the shortest distance. Hopefully I can win something today. Just something, just one thing.
Okay, ready when you're Alex.
$100 k's an hour.
Oh.
Wow, that is so close.
That's pretty close.
It's like a dead heat.
A dead heat, another dead heat.
Again?
Well, anyway, there you go. The GLA is quicker from a standing start, but in the other 2 tests, it's a pretty even fight. Now we're going to finish today's video with something a little bit different, some point of view runs in each car as we go down the strip from 0 to 200 k's an hour. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the Motor YouTube channel.